We're here with a cheap Pittsburgh rubber strap wrench set. I bought these to use on the air rifle because the barrel, you need to turn it, but if you use a wrench or a pair of pliers, you scar it up like I did there. So, if you use a strap wrench, you won't be scratching your guns or whatever all up. So anyway, there you go. Without scarring or scratching anything up. That's the great part about a strap wrench. And seeing how I had some oil on there on this barrel, you can see it as paint. Actually, it's a shroud on a barrel. Made it slick, but it still did its job. If you like the, strap wrench isn't made for huge amounts of torque, so if you do get rough with them, they will break. But for what you're needing this for, where like oil wrenches and stuff, they do great.